In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows Insider program error code. This should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. For method 1, go to Settings and disconnect your Insider account. Open Fiddler and link your Insider account in Fiddler. Click on the Fix button. Your error should be gone by now. For the second method, press Windows plus R, then type regedit and press Enter. Go to this file path, Windows Self-Host. Right-click on it, then click Export. Store it in a safe place, then delete Windows Self-Host. As you can see, you can export it like this and import it again. Check if your problem has been solved. If not, click on File and import the backup folder.